so I ain't mad at you. For sure. I'm a fuck like I said, but no.
Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
Hey boo, how are you? Hope you're doing amazing. Welcome and or welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, join the family because we lit over here. I just realized I didn't make an intro for my Florida vlog. So I'm all the way back home and I'm editing. So this is that. So please enjoy this first part of my Florida vlog. We do a lot of things. And this one is going to be basically the park, the water park, and everything. Then the next one's going to be Epic and Disney. So just stay tuned, y'all, and enjoy the video. All right, y'all, we are on the road, and look who is driving. What? We are on the road. We are heading to Alabama? Macon, Georgia. And then we're going to be heading to Florida.
You know, I'm just saying.
Go.
I have a better shot.
Go ahead.
At a good picture.
Come on, Tiffany. Come on, Tiffany. Come on, baby. You looking to pray? Oh, yeah. Somebody, you know you need to be right. Oh.
Yeah, somebody should sit in here.
Somebody sit down right here, Shorty. Sit down, Shorty. Okay.
I think I got it.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh.
All right, y'all, we have made it to the famous Buc-ee's. This is my first time that I've ever been here. So we're going to see what they're talking about. Good morning. Good morning.
My trenches look clean, and you know that we locked in, and I love you like my kin. That's whatever for you. I go up and down that road.
I'm probably not gonna get anything because I don't like eating on the road. Because I don't know if it's TMI, but your girl's stomach is not the best. So we're gonna see. Everybody be talking about the peanuts. Jalen. They got banana pudding in it, like. It does look good. Yeah, it's so big that I don't know what to get. Yeah, it's nothing over here that I want. I'm about to go to the bathroom. I don't even know if I'm gonna get something. If I get something, I'll let y'all know and I'll try it with y'all. Yeah, I don't know what to get, but they always talking about the famous cashews, so always grab them today. Always grab from the back. Warming. So we're gonna get the cashews and then a drink. I don't really know what to get, so that's what we're gonna try in the car. All right, Buc-ee's, what do you rate? What did you get?
Sausage, egg, and cheese.
What you rated?
8.
What'd you get, Pooh?
Sausage and biscuit. I ain't took a bite yet.
Okay, we get a live view.
Good.
She lying.
No, it is
Out of 10.
Biscuit sauce.
Out of 10.
Out of 10.
I give it a 9.
A 9. Okay. What'd y'all get back there? What'd you get?
Breakfast bowl.
What you rate it?
It can lose a little more seasoning, so 9.
9? A 9 if it needs a little more seasoning. That does look like it need about a lot of more seasoning.
No, I got a little bit, but it just need a little. You need some Tabasco or something.
Jalen?
Yeah, I need a little.
What'd you get? And what do you rate it?
Decline to comment. He's already.
What?
My client said no.
All right, and Stacey, what'd you get?
I got a sausage, egg, and cheese taco.
Okay. What you rate it?
I'm gonna give it a 5.
A 5 out of 10? Oh, what does it need? Seasoning?
No, it's got a little seasoning. I think it's dated.
Gotcha. Gotcha. All I got, y'all, I didn't get a sandwich. Like I told y'all, I do not be eating on the road because I be nervous. I just got the famous cashews that I always hear people talk about, so we're gonna try them real quick for y'all. Don't mind my red face, I am sweating a little bit. Oh, they look nice. Look at these. Can you see that? They like fried.
Well, they gotta get by you right.
Hold on. Can y'all see that? It's like a fried cashew. Okay. Oh, they warm. Mmm. Yeah, you want to try one?
Yeah.
Alright, wait, try to chew up.
Okay. You want to try some? Tiffany?
Oh, no, thank you.
This is good. It's sweet like we like. You probably get tired of them after a while though. You can only eat a couple. Oh my goodness, that's really good though. I rate that. That's a good 9.5 out of 10. No wonder people be coming down here to get these. I feel like I can only eat a couple. Cause that's sweet, honey. It's sweet, yeah. It's good though.
I like sweet.
Yeah.
It's good. It is good.
I wasn't expecting that. All right, y'all. We're waiting on CC and other people that was in the car, and then we're gonna be back on the road. I'll see you in a bit.
You're welcome.
Y'all, everybody else went to the store. I stay here for food and to make sure these little gremlins don't eat all the food. They ain't got no soap? Or check the bathrooms.
Check the back.
I got it on camera saying that you wasn't about to wash your hands. What is that, soap or hand sanitizer?
Are you doing a mukbang video?
No, I'm just trying to
Oh, watch out.
There's soap in here. It's open wait.
Alright, today, guys, we're gonna be eating
Jimmy crack corn.
6 boxes of pizza.
No, they're not. Not 6.
All 6.
People still have to eat.
All 40
We eat
pieces.
everything. we're having a Pizza Hut mukbang. Hey, bro.
All 40
Pizza Hut
pieces.
mukbang.
No.
We should eat butter. We got the meat lover.
Hold on, what we got? You got meat lovers for real, no dish?
Oh no. We got cheese,
Where's the trash?
pepperoni. We got sauce.
Lovers, no diddy.
No, I don't even know if there's. I don't even know if there's meat lovers.
Bro, why you say
Bruh, say
Ooh,
it on the,
pepperoni is all I need.
bruh, it said it on the thing, bruh.
It probably is.
Why would you say we got
Look, right here, bruh.
we ain't got no meat lovers, bitch?
Look, right here, bruh. Meat lovers.
Thank you, love.
Look, say it right here, bruh.
Hey, bro.
Meat lovers, gang.
Don't worry about it. Get out my way, man. Get out my way. Get out the way. Get
Stop.
out the way.
I was grabbing one.
Get out the way.
All the grown-ups went to the store. I guess I'm not a grown-up for real.
Get out the way.
These two are always gonna find some game to play.
Belt boys. Belt boys. Belt boys.
Kobe, what is happening?
We got one more in me, bro.
Good night.
We got one more in me.
Good night.
We got
21 like that. I told you, bro. When you
Kobe.
21 like that,
Oh, no, we got
kiss
one more
the
in
game.
me, bro.
Kiss the game goodbye, little bro.
Man, if he ain't challenged that play, let's be real,
Kiss
gang.
the
It's
game
tie game
goodbye,
right
bro.
now, bro.
Kiss the game goodbye.
It was, I would have challenged it, I'm not gonna lie. He was down. He was down.
I seen it. They was gonna challenge it for me anyway, but you know I had to go ahead and fast track the process. I should have waited. Crush your dreams.
Jalen.
When I told you though, when you go for it down there, what's gonna happen, bro?
Kobe, you wouldn't have challenged it.
Ball game, bro. Ball game, bro.
I was stuck.
I told you.
But I say, bro, I'm not done yet.
You right.
Oh!
You right. And then he get ball at half. Tight. I feel it. Strong a little fight, you know. Can't complain. Trade me 21 again, though. So it ain't gonna matter, man. 21.
Kobe and JoJo, they ain't on nothing. JoJo just want to jump. He don't want his 101, but he's gonna get that. Kobe's definitely gonna get that.
Alright, so look, this is what happened, right? I was eating my slushy smacking. She said, bro, it's not that good. I said, wait, get up, right? Said, get up. She said, she went in the corner, gang. I tried to fight her. Lil' bro helped me, gang. I'm talking about, all that, the Serenity and Monty tried to say no jumping. I'm like, bro, this my fight, gang. I don't know why he jumped in. So I'm ready to beat them up, too. I want my favorite everybody.
So I jumped in the fight because how is she gonna touch my bigger cousin like that? Like it's like one of my favorite cousins. Like you ain't gonna touch him like that. Like come on, bro. Like and she touch. Hey! Hey, she switched up, bro. We used to be friends and everything. I don't know what happened to her, but she turned into like she's crazy now, bro. Like, okay, why is she like this?
So, you know, we're just sitting minding our business, having good cousin time. She gets into it with with Kobe. I see JoJo start running. We're not jumping. Not that cousin. We're not jumping. I go over there, I break it up. We're not jumping.
So, you know, I was just chilling downstairs trying to make my plate, and all of a sudden, Kobe run up on Destiny, and they fighting, and then I see JoJo start running up, and he's trying to jump. But, you know, Destiny still was winning. So how you gonna jump and lose at the same time? So then, you know, me and Monty's pulling JoJo back, and we were like, let him run, he won. So, you know, after they run, they won. JoJo jump in. He was ducking the fade. He was ducking it because he wanted to jump. But, you know, when you jump, you lose. So, yeah, that's the end of it. So we already get to the hotel. Jacoby's already starting it. He keeps trying to jump me. And then tonight, he want to jump my sister. I ain't having that. So I jumped in. He will be getting dealt with. He will not make it to the end of the vacation.
Good morning, y'all. We are heading downstairs for Aunt Stacy's breakfast. I missed your eggs.
There's still some over here. No, but it's not time. I couldn't.
Where's Aunt Stacy? Where's Aunt Stacy?
She's gone.
She's out of work today. She's out of work today.
Okay, we gotta get this done and out.
All right, put me 2 pieces on.
You done for you?
Is it good?
We got some more bacon done.
Y'all, my little cousin made some eggs. Let's taste them.
Make sure you wash the strawberries too. About 3 of them and 2 whips. Hey, bro.
Okay. Okay, Savannah. It's got a good amount of cheese.
I put cheese, so I'm mixing it, and then I'm putting it in the cheese. And then I put sprinkle a little bit to make it melt on top.
Okay. This is good. morning, Nova.
Don't do this cooking stuff.
I can't believe kids are in here cooking. Like, time is really flat.
Oh, he's out.
Don't do this cooking stuff.
He's outside.
Yeah, he literally. No, I know he did.
Stop lying, man.
Watch the strawberry.
Have CC's YouTube channel today. We're gonna.
Everything actually came out really good, you guys. Especially the eggs.
You want to put your swimming lessons to test today?
I'm telling you, everything came out good. The kids cooked the food. What?
I know, but you got to jump in the pool today?
What time zone am I living in? Twilight zone, not time zone.
Stay down here. Nobody's upset. He said, okay, kept going.
Who made the pancake? Okay.
Nobody, G's gonna get you here. Come, G. Come on back down here. He said, no.
Everything's good, y'all.
Alright, so I woke up out of bed. I went downstairs, right? I see Jada, Savannah, Kaya, and Rama
People that
cooking.
don't even cook.
Like,
on a
people that don't
regular.
even cook. They
home.
Right, they just getting pot and pans, throwing it on the stove, just heating it up to any temperature and just throwing
Bacon
the food in
wasn't
there.
even done all the way.
Yeah, the
Look at my
bacon wasn't done. Pancakes is real fluffy, soft. The only good thing, the
Was the
eggs. Yeah,
That was
eggs.
it.
Yeah.
Okay, so we decided to start. We agreed to start breakfast at 9:30, but we ended up waking up at 8:30 because everybody started getting up early. So I go downstairs, me and Savannah, we start breakfast or whatever, and then everybody start coming. They talking about where the pancakes, where the pancakes. But my fault, big hungry. I like to eat off fast and stuff. Honestly, I was cooking as fast as I could. So, and then on top of that, my dad didn't even try my pancakes, so I feel offended. But everybody, other than that, everybody else said they were good.
You know, second day in, stressful. I was on bacon duty. Bacon was fine, even though we didn't have no pans, so I had to keep switching from oven to stove. Everybody's rushing. It's a mess.
How do you feel that everybody's saying the only thing that was good was the eggs?
They said that?
They said that?
Yeah, they said that.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna throw a
Man,
hand.
I quit.
I
ain't
don't think
coming
those
back
are my
tomorrow.
best eggs. I'm not gonna lie.
Honestly, it felt like I was on what's that Gordon Ramsay show? I don't know, but I feel like he was in the kitchen. The way they had me stressing.
Listen, I wanted to quit like 5 times.
Oh, I've been quit.
I had to make 3 batches of eggs.
As I said, don't call me down tomorrow unless I'm ready to eat. I'm not
I finished
cooking.
the 2. I was like, I quit. I'm done. Mama said, oh, you gotta make 1 more batch. I was like, oh my God.
Everything was good, you guys.
Thank you.
All right, guys, we're gonna be on my phone because I'm not gonna get that expensive camera wet. So this is the swimsuit. Hold on. This is the swimsuit look. We're about to go to the water park. The resort has a water park and we're about to go. I think me and Cece's gonna be the only adults there, which is weird because I'm normally used to premium adults there. I'm still just an adult, but you know, premium, I think we're gonna be in charge of the children and I'm not a premium adult yet. So Kobe is back there. We're gonna see you at the water park and I'm gonna get some footage, but I'm about to have fun and enjoy it. It is vacation. Alright, we are at the pool. We are at the pool, about to swim. Oh yeah, we ended up over my auntie's house. She made queso, rotel. It looks pretty decent, so we're gonna try it. Is it good? Quite tasty? Okay. Let's see, let's see. Yeah. Yeah. Mac, you don't like it. You gonna like it. Nah, but it's good. Okay, Dana. Matt, get a taste for me, because you like mine, so I want to see how you like it.
Oh, that's good. Have the style.
It's good. Yeah, it's a spicy, a little spicy. But it's good. Alright, Dana. You gonna try it up in the camera?
Make sure you eat over your plate.
Yeah, I think I know how to use my mouth and eat.
You can't get it.
No, somebody eat it.
Somebody eat it. I need more. Hold on.
You need more? Before you give your verdict?
Please say you don't like it.
The last time.
Like it.
With your glass?
Like it.
It's good. Yeah. Yeah, I got some spice. Ooh. Not my face. Get that, pick it up for me. Thank you. Well, that's copyright, so bye. She made the food.
To our space.
Vacay. Yes. No, I don't want to play that.
She don't want to play today.
You don't know how to do it. Look, I know how to do it.
Yeah, game over.
Gotta get the angles.
Shut up. Select the game. Okay. There we go. I want this one. Okay. Okay.
Lock in.
Okay.
Lock
Where
in,
am I? Where am I?
You're right there.
Okay.
Lock in, Talia. Lock in.
Oh.
Lock in. Lock in. Hey, lock in. That's one. That's one. That's one.
Oh shit. Ah!
You better run away. Hey. Wait right there. No, you gotta wait for them to come to you. Lock in. No, come on. Oh, hey, run.
What she do?
Run. Shit. Ah! Go. Oh yeah, this one.
Will she do it?
2, 3. Get that one. 4. There you go. Ah! Shit. Oh my god. Alright, my turn.
And she failed.
Baby, I want you. Why can't I keep my fingers off you, baby? I want you.
Don't mess it up.
Come on, CC. I fly with the stars in the skies. I am no longer trying to survive. I believe that life is a prize, but to live doesn't mean you're alive.
Turn the lights on here. And now I cannot trust you. And I'm forced to let you go. And see you lose control. Now I must spend all my time.
Y'all, randomly, I'm about to go to the club with my big cousins, and my little cousin just killed my edges. I ain't never had my edges to be able to look like this. We about to go clubbing with my older cousin, my younger cousins. We was trying to go with my aunties, but they said no. So it's just gonna be, who's out going, y'all? You not going, Kaya? You sure? No? So it's me, my cousin Nadi, my cousin Cece, my big cousin Layron. Is Josh going? My cousin Desi. We're all gonna go. We're gonna see what this is about. They said if it's 40 at the door, we turning around. My little cousins got me taking a shot. I ain't know we was doing all this.
I'm not gonna drink it all anyway.
You gonna take one?
It's not that much.
Yeah. What is this? Jose? Don. Oh, Don. All right. Cheers. That's nasty. Ooh. Why do people do this to themselves?
say so I ain't mad at you. For sure. I'm a fuck Percocet, but on my baby poppin' that Adderall. For sure. Way too rich to drive a road. Made $1 million out the stove. She like to put it in her nose. Pretty bitch with white toes. I done put her on the bros. I done put her in the rose. I done put up in the ghost. I done reached all my goals. Yeah, pull up with Yeezy and dollar sign. I'm all about business, I'm man of mine. Pull up in the church like Caliban. Pull up with a rocket like number 9. I don't want your hoes. Young nigga reach all the goals. Let her suck the dick, said she was a pro. She straight with teeth, I'ma tell her to go. Go. Head so good, she an honor roll. She ride a dick like a carnival. I done did the impossible. Go. Head so good, she an honor roll. She ride a dick like a carnival. I done did the impossible.
She brought it like she's flags. We turn up to the max. I whop her from the back. I gave that bitch a cramp. They love me out in France. In the hood, I'm good, I'm stamped. Every day I dress all black. For sure 900 rags.
Yeah.
Don't make me cry, say.
It's so expensive. Yeah.
We have made it to the beach, y'all. We are walking on our way. I don't know how much beach content I'm gonna get because it definitely is by the water and stuff, but y'all gonna come with me.
Italia Tuesday. No.
Alright, today guys, I'm with Savannah.
I'm not even in the camera.
Oh, you too short. I'm with Savannah, Mac, Romrod, JoJo, and Lil Amy. We're at the beach today. We're gonna have so much fun. It's the orange flag right now. We might get swept away.
Guys, he just needs to be quiet. He says there's an orange flag. We'll be alright. It's not like a little rain. He's a twig, so all the waves, they're gonna break him in half. All right. So just stay tuned for that, and like and subscribe. Yup.
Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. We're gonna be at Epic Universe. See ya. I'm gonna be a YouTuber, cuz.
It's cold. This is probably all I'm about to be able to get, y'all, because they said bad weather's coming in, and we ain't about to buy no umbrella and stuff for no, and then we gotta get kicked out. It's already an orange flag if y'all see that over there. So we just putting our feet in, and we don't know what we about to do. Be careful, JoJo. JoJo. That's it. So, yeah. Beach content probably over. Y'all gonna get a little waves, that's it. Oh. Yeah, it's cold. Oh my God. Y'all about to play volleyball? I wanna play.
You go back here. You know what? We're not gonna hit nobody.
Ice cream for y'all.
Come over this way, boo.
I got this, I got this, I got this, I got the ball.
Hi, Nugget behind me. Mirror, say hi to the camera.
Sit down, baby.
I got it. Forward. Go over the line. Go over the line. You walking off the net right now. You walking off the net. I'm walking under the net. Go. Come on. Get it. Go. Oh yeah. Ah! Oh yeah. I got it. Really about to be here for no reason. Right. Yeah.
Currently, we're about to play a game called. What is this game? We gotta pull a dance, and the team has to do the dance. And if you ain't do the dance, then you don't win. So, seems like something to videotape. Alright guys, I know I look crazy. We are getting ready to head out, but I did want to come back and end this video. I know I'm ending it at the end of my trip, but I didn't end that vlog. You do have more Florida content coming, but I'm just ending this vlog. But anyways, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know every time I drop. And also, make sure you never, ever miss a Talia Tuesday. Love you guys. Hold on.
Oh,
okay.
Oh, wait, I gotta do my... They ain't on nothing. JoJo just wanna
Hold
jump.
on, wait. She was talking when you did it.
Shut up! Y'all ain't supposed to... First of all, hold on, wait. This is a confessional. Y'all gotta go. Y'all got to go.
We just need the light.
Get it. Oh, started. Alright. Destiny wasn't on nothing, gang. She tried to say why. Hold on. Don't restart, fam.
It will. I cut it.
You ready?
I'm ready.
So it's like the first day, right? And I trying to like wait.
I'm gonna cut it. Just
I don't know.
I just keep it real, everyone.
High volume.
Am I really that much?